Hi guys! In this video, you will learn how to use LastPass on iPhone. To do that, install the LastPass app. If you haven't already, download and install the LastPass app from the App Store on your iPhone. Then create a LastPass account. If you are a new user, open the LastPass app and create a new account by following the on-screen instruction. If you have already a LastPass account, open the app and log in using your existing credentials. Then set up Touch ID or Face ID. LastPass supports Touch ID or Face ID for added security and convenience. If you wish to use this feature, you can set it up in the LastPass settings within the app. Then save passwords and secure notes. To store passwords, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the LastPass app. Then enter the details for the account you want to save, such as the website, username, and password. LastPass will prompt you to save the information and you can choose to store it in your vault. Then, autofill passwords in apps and Safari. Once you have stored your passwords in LastPass, it can autofill them for you in apps and Safari. So that's how to use LastPass on iPhone. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!